It's me again, Teacher Nelly. How are you? I hope you're good.
Are you ready to listen to a short story? Then let's start! Nana and her grandfather are fishing by a pond. Grandfather has a fishing rod and Nana has a net. Suddenly, they hear a loud and nasty noise as a plane flies overhead. Nana runs around pretending she is a plane, saying, "Did you like the story? Can we say the sound together? Okay, come on, let's say together. Go!" That's right. Now we're going to have the action of the N sound. Pretend to be a plane with your arms out, like wings, and say, "N, N, N." Can we say the sound together, children? All right, let's say the sound. Very good. Goodbye, everyone. See you on the next video. Goodbye.